Hello everyone, warm welcome to all of you. Today we will learn shear stress distribution for a circular section. Shear stress distribution for a circular section. This is the cross section of circle. Shear stress distribution. Consider a circular section of diameter D as shown in figure A. This is the diameter D. The shear stress intensity at a distance y, shear stress intensity at a distance y from the neutral axis is given by Q is equal to S in bracket R square minus Y square divided by 3I, where R is equal to radius of circle. When Y is equal to R, that is at top and bottom, Q is equal to S R square minus Y is equal to R square divided by 3I is equal to 0. Therefore, it is clear that at the top and bottom shear stress is 0 for circular section. Okay, at neutral axis y is equal to 0 and q is maximum. Neutral axis y is equal to 0 and q is maximum. Therefore, it is in parabolic nature. So Q max is equal to S in bracket R square divided by 3I. Q is equal to S in bracket R square divided by 3I. Y is equal to 0 at the neutral axis. Then we get this equation: Q max is equal to S in bracket R square by 3I is equal to, so put the value of R and I in this equation, then we get S Q max is equal to S into, what is the value of R? D by 2. So R square D by 2 whole square divided by 3 into I. What is the value of I for circular section? Pi by 64 into T raised to 4 is equal to 16 divided by 3 into S divided by pi t square. Solve this equation, then we get this equation. So modify this equation, divided by 4 means, then we get 4 by 3 S in bracket pi by 4 d square is equal to 4 by 3. This is the equation of Q average. Okay, Q average. So where Q average is equal to average shear stress. So average shear stress S divided by pi by 4 d square. So Q max is equal to maximum shear stress is equal to 4 by 3 Q average. Okay, and Q average is equal to S divided by pi by 4 d square. This is the equation of average shear stress and this is the equation of maximum shear stress. So it is clear that at the top and bottom Q is equal to 0 and at the neutral axis y is equal to 0 and Q is maximum. See here, top and bottom Q is equal to 0 and at the neutral axis Q maximum means shear stress is maximum and this is in parabolic nature. This is the diagram of shear stress distribution. Okay, thank you.